You left and went and got a house somewhere else.
Because you started cheating. Yes, sir.
For those who don't understand, Tip had some infidelities with a girl who I hired, and that girl is one of the reasons why I got my own house.
I ain't intertwining my souls with no mother.
Hey, look, let me tell you
I ain't doing none of that. It's totally different from what
look.
you're doing.
You done had your when you was out with this dude that you know I don't with.
Out what?
You know.
I wasn't out with them
Hey, man,
as a
it don't
couple.
matter. You was at his house.
What you mean?
You was at his house. You in his house.
We
You
went
in
together.
I mean, which
we
time?
went together.
Don't speak on it as if you know what you're talking about. Like, I know 100% that she slept with. How do you know that? Because you see me dancing? How does dancing on how do you know that? You don't know.
I ain't never stuck in me.
Hey, listen, it's levels to
And he never stuck.
It's levels
So
to
if he